Good morning, everyone. Abel, don't do that. Right, so what we're doing today, we're making our own DIY Lent candles, okay? So, Cable, can I see what you have in your hand? We've got 2 pieces of paper which you've already coloured beautifully. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take some glue, watching me, and we're going to stick our paper together like that, and we're going to fold and then fold.
DIY Lent Candle. In tomorrow's creative arts session, students will engage in crafting their own Lent candles. They will choose vibrant colours and add personal touches with decorative elements.
Alright.
As the candles take shape, we can watch their handmade creations will light up the Lent season.
Right, Cable, can you be a volunteer? Can I help you with yours? Alright then. So, can you move back to give me some room? Thank you. Alright, yeah. Well, let's have it here. When you sneeze, cover your mouth. Let's stick some glue here. Like this. And then you fold that part over there. Good boy. Nice. Then we fold again. Yeah. Fold again. And you fold over again. Is everyone? Yeah, you nearly finished. Okay. Keep going until we've got them all folded over. And then once you've got your folded piece, wait, Cable, wait. Yeah, you should have a nice shape like this, okay? Yes, you can. We've got some bases for our candle. Yeah. Let me see. Wait, Lally, have you already glued it? So you glued it? No? Okay, let's go and get the bases then. Right. So guys, we've got our candles now, our wax part of our candles. So what we need is our base for our candle. So let me show you again the example of what we're going to do. Let's take I'll use you, Lalin, this time. Put some glue on the base. Cable, it's alright, let me show you. And then you don't need too much, like that. Stick it down. Okay. And then you should have your candle glued to your base like this. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Watching, you've got your base, you've got your wax candle. Now we're going to have to attach the flame that burns on top of the candle. Okay? Now we're going to use these pieces together. We're going to glue them together. And then we're going to stick them to the top, like that. Okay? You can use this. And you pull this piece. Pull this piece out like that. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now get some glue on not on that side, on this side. That's it. Okay. Now stick it together. Yeah. There you go, Lelin. Yes, you can take them home once you've done.